YouTube SEO tools to spice up your reach and rankings. Hello there. In today's video we will know about topmost SEO tool for your YouTube channel, so let's get started. Boosting your YouTube reach and video rankings is regarding over simply pumping out video. You will get higher results once you target quality over amount. That is, however, you'll be able to rank higher and nab that prime spot. Number 1. Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy could be a browser extension that gives loads of alternative ways to effectively manage your YouTube channel. It includes productivity, video SEO knowledge and analysis, promotion, and bulk process tools. Exploitation. Tubebuddy. You'll be able to produce and schedule your YouTube videos, use saved responses for straightforward content moderation, and build end screen templates, among alternative cool things. Number 2. YouTube Analytics. YouTube's own analytics tool is one in every of the simplest tools you'll be able to use to search out wherever your channel is succeeding and wherever it isn't. You'll be able to use it to find out a lot of regarding your audience and also the content that grabs them, rising your YouTube video views, and keeps them engaged. You'll even be ready to investigate the watch time on your videos, a signal in YouTube's search algorithm, and the way your following is growing. Number 3. VidIQ. VidIQ could be a browser extension that shows you the stats you would like to trace your YouTube performance. You'll be able to additionally add challenger channels to visualize however they compare to your own, likewise as created email alerts to search out trending topics. There's even a Facebook syndication feature that helps you to share your video instantly across social media platforms. Identify your best keywords. Descriptions and titles are necessary data for YouTube users. Once you embody the correct keywords in your YouTube video descriptions and titles, users are higher equipped to make a decision if your video is correct for them. During this section, you'll notice YouTube optimization tools which will assist you notice the keywords which will get your videos graded and viewed. Number 4. YouTube Autosuggest. If you've ever probed for a video on YouTube, you recognize that the instant you begin typewriting, YouTube starts providing suggestions for keywords and phrases to assist you along. This is an excellent tool for users, however it's additionally and especially great tool for creators. Almost like Google Trends, you'll be able to enter your keyword or topic into the search field on YouTube and use the Autosuggest results to search out keywords that you simply ought to embody in your video description, tags, and title. Number 5. Google Keyword Planner. Google offers loads of free tools that creators will use to search out simply the correct keywords to incorporate in their content. Google Keyword Planner could be a useful gizmo. You'll be able to access Google Keyword Planner from your Google Ads dashboard. You don't need to run ads to use it. It'll facilitate you find the keywords that are well worth the most for Google searches, thus you'll be able to plug those keywords into your YouTube descriptions and titles.